In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Big Cartel theme. Customizing your Big Cartel store can be a fun and rewarding task that allows you to represent your brand's personality through design. Let's dive into the best way to streamline this process and give your shop a fresh look. Firstly, you'll want to head over to the Big Cartel dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your store. If you're not already familiar with the layout, take a moment to explore the various options available. Once you're comfortable, navigate to your store profile by clicking on your profile image or the profile option typically located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up additional settings and customizations for your store. After accessing your profile, scroll down through the options until you find the link labeled Go to Shop Designer. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this link takes you to the heart of customizing your store's visual appeal. Here you'll see a variety of templates that Big Cartel offers. These templates are pre-designed layouts that you can use as a foundation for your store. Now it's time to click on the template option. This section houses all the theme designs available for your store. Take your time to browse through the different variations of templates. Each template will give your store a unique look and feel, so consider how each style aligns with your brand and products. Consider how the font styles, color schemes, and overall aesthetics reflect your brand's message and what you want to convey to your customers. Once you've browsed through the options, go ahead and select the template that you like best. It's important to choose a design that not only looks great, but also functions well. Good design is about aesthetics and usability, and a thoughtful choice will enhance your customers' shopping experience. Finally, after you've chosen your preferred template, you must confirm the change to apply it to your store. Sometimes this step can be overlooked in excitement, but it's crucial to ensure your changes are saved. You want your selections to be visible to everyone who visits your store. Keep in mind that you can always come back and make further tweaks or opt for a different template if you want to refresh the look again. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've given your Big Cartel store a customized visual identity that's truly your own. Remember, your online store is often your customer's first impression of your brand, and a well-designed theme can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!